Good morning and welcome to another vlog. I'm gonna attempt to do a rizo cut. The thing is, I've never had a rizo cut done on me before, but I am so over this hair that I'm just willing to try anything at this moment. Here's what my hair looks like right now. It's at a medium length right now, and this is what it looks like pretty much when I wake up. I took a shower a day ago and it looks, the curls, I can manage to get curls looking pretty good, but only on the first day. But after the second day, they're pretty much gone. I went onto YouTube and just clicked on the first video, and I'm gonna try to attempt to follow a tutorial here. It's a DIY curl cut, so we'll see how it goes. I'm nervous, but the good thing about curly hair is that most of the time, once you curl, you can't really tell, and hair can grow back. Eventually, if this fails, I can always get a professional cut done, and that will be the end of the story. So, we'll see how it goes.
Wish all the hashtags, likes and tweets would find a way to get lost. Yeah, and when I pull up to the scene, I wonder what the hell is the cost. And yeah, I know you've never seen nothing like this before. Yeah, but this is different. I deserve to find some self-comfort. So find a way to something, and our hearts burn with the heat of 1,000 suns. Yeah, and we cry out loud 'cause we just want attention. Alright, and we feel alive from a fake medium. Yeah, I won't accept this life that fate is given. So find a way to get lost. So find a way to get lost. Just find a way to get lost. Yeah, we'll find a way to get lost. So find a way to tweets will find a way to get lost. Yeah, and when I
Alright, so the bangs are something that I'm still working on because for years and years I always straightened my bangs because I didn't like them curly. But because I'm in the process of, hold on baby, because I'm in the process of regrowing my hair, and that means absolutely no heat. That means I wanted to commit myself. I wanted to commit myself to not using any heat, and that includes the bangs. So I'm just trying to style them so they don't, in a way that they don't look too crazy. But I think with the cut that I did, as you can see right here, they're not all in the same length anymore, and so it did give me a little bit of volume. As you can see, this is kind of what it looks like now. Eventually I am gonna obviously visit a hairstylist that can do it professionally, but at least for the time being, this will work. Either way, I'm growing new hair still from all the postpartum hair that I lost, so it's gonna grow back fast, so I'm not worried about that. I think that's just how it's gonna look like for the rest of the day. I'm still working on I'm still working on finding ways to not frizz my hair so much and just style it. So far I really like the Not Your Mother's Curl Talk line. So far I really like the Not Your Mother's Curl Talk, and this one, the Curl Foam, Refreshing Curl Foam, has helped me revive my curls because I don't wash my hair every day. By the way, this is not sponsored. They don't even know I exist. I learned about this brand through Bianca Renee, so thank you girl for your recommendations and all your tips and tricks for curly hair. Okay, so anyway, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.